Welcome back. Now, are you ready for a brain damage, guys? Okay, now I have done this a long time ago, so I will try my best to show you this, okay? Because it is also still complicated for me, okay? But once you get the idea, you can set it up for your game, all right? Now, this is the thing, all right? We have like the switch thing here, and I will show you all the setup, so I will go very, very slowly so I don't make any mistake as well as I show to you, all right? So I want to first make this switch thing visible for you guys and make this like 1, okay? And what's this? Switch drop. This is opposite to 1. Okay, this is also this. What happens is this is when this is destroyed. So like this blue things, dark blue squares destroys this object, and this is not destroyed right away. When it's destroyed, somehow it's not working the way I want it to be. So what it will happen is it will also spawn another object called switch drop. All right. So let's check this out. I'll come up here. I'll make this. What's this? Okay. Yeah, all these objects I made them invisible. What's this? Let's make this 1 and switch text. That's opposite to 1 and that's it. Okay, now I need to make this because some of them are actions. I need to make this. What's the switch score? Reward points 1 and switch text. Let's make this 1. All right. So what will happen? This will spawn a switch times 2 text. All right. So that's 1. Okay. This is like 1. And let's go one by one here. All right. So if I go to switch destroy here, come back here. So now you see the white is visible. I need to have another red one. So this switch score. So small coin, this here. This is just for the visibility. This is like because it's like an object. We want to see what's going on here. This is the text and switch score. Now let's turn to switch score on as well. And this is it. All right. So I'm gonna make this like 1 as well. All right. And this will give another extra 1 point. Actually, what's going on? The ball drops in. If this is gone, it takes our regular yellow score 1 action, and if it touches another switch score, it gives another reward point as well. So it gives like double point. All right. And this spawns our particle fire here when it's done. So this is the thing. All right. That's the fire thing that's going on here. Okay, guys. Now, when I go to here, all right, let's see what's going on here. So if I touch the side, you see that's the thing, all right. That's the trick, guys. This switch things actually the ball needs to touch this whole object, okay, to like how can I say trigger all these 3 actions at one time. All right, that's the main trick. So what I did was I added that object as an enemy bullet, only one single object in here. Okay, so how can I say? So this is like, let's come up here. So what you do is you go and take the switch drop and bring it right here as an object. Okay, you say enemy bullet and set it up. So once this is destroyed, this one goes away. Okay, and so let's go. The reason I did that because sometimes ball was even touching here, even touching here or something, it was touching this and getting like a double score. So I made it up so that it's going down right away. So the number is like, you see, like -999 or something, So it's going right down, guys. So this is the trick. Check this out. It's cool, huh? You see, I cannot get the switch, okay? But if I were to go down here, now I touched that, all right? Now I touched, when I do that, this thing is, how can I say, where is that one? Let me show you the switch. This is set to enemy as well. So when our ball touches this, it is destroyed. Okay, I'm going slow, guys, please don't misunderstand me. Okay, I also want you to understand. So the ball comes in, it touches this, it spawns this object right here. Okay, this swish drop. Okay, the reason I didn't add actions there is because I couldn't make them drop down here. So I added everything right inside here. Okay, so when our ball touches that, I know it's very weird, but check this out. You see, swish times 2. Okay, check this out. It's gone. You know, I made it so fast, it's not, it can never catch it. Okay, now swish times 2. Okay, times 2. Another times 2, you see? So that's cool. And gone. Okay, check this out. You know, check a little bit. Here you go. Another one. I touch the side, it's gone. You see, it's dropping down. That's the main trick, guys. Okay, that's the thing. That's how I solved this situation in here, because I was like watching some games of Voodoo, you know, like the Flappy Dunk and thing. I really wanted to get this thing done, so I'm sharing this with you. Hope you can get it. So let's get this over once again so you understand. Okay, so I have this swish thing enemy here. Okay, this is an object, and by the way, this is the damage is set to 0. So when our character touches this, it never kills us. Okay, and this is destroyed on auto. All right, so when we touch this, damage is 0. This is destroyed, and it spawns this swish drop object. Okay, and swish drop object is right here. Okay, this is another object right here, which has these like score action, text action, and this so small coin. This is actually, it is nothing, it's just an object. You know, you can even make it like this, but I still like keep it so I can like see what's going on during the gameplay. So if you go, how can I say, you see actually this score has another like white text action hit down. So you touch both of these, that's the main point. They have to be one on top of each other. Okay, so that's the thing, guys. This is the coolest and the best working way I made it. Okay, so let's go. Yeah, here we go. It's gone. All right. You see, and I have that extra sound effect there, so it gives a different, like that. You know. Let's see. Swish. Where is that? Swish scores. I have this. Okay, I have this like bubble thing, so it gives a nice, like a cool feeling when you play the game. All right, so like I said, and this swish text also, I did it so that the player is right here. You know, think about that. So it spawns the text like a little bit forward, so it's not right on top of our player. And I gave a nice linear velocity of 2. All right. And I set the spawner to 10, by the way, because if I make this like 1, it would go spawning other like times 2, all right? Check this out. Now it's, you see another swish times 2. It's like spawning 1, 2, and 3. So we don't want to see that. So I make this 10. So it's like waiting like longer than it is to spawn at the run. We don't see that. It's like stayed in the back, okay? And coin is thing, all right, and swish score. So yeah, that's the thing, that's rewarding points. You know, if I were to make it like 5, you know, let's see, this is gonna be now 6 point. You see, now it's totally now 6 point. All right, now where we can go here, I mean, I didn't add this thing in my game, but what you can do is something I want to show you. In some games of Ketchup and Voodoo, I see, you know, make a long scene, all right, not like 900 scene distance, all right, and add here like 1, 2, 3, 4 hoops, okay, in a different way. Okay, this is just something I'm showing, giving to you. So make this one like 3 points, okay, like 2 points. Make this one another action like this. Make this like 3 points and 4 points and 5 points. So every time the ball goes down, it goes 3 and a 4 and a 5 and 6, and it goes on like that. And if it touches the sides, make another killer action, you know, like you do. so it kills everything, and you can never get like 2, 3, 4, 5 things. All right. By the way, the way sorry about guys, I need to set this up. The way this thing kills is destroy Swish. If we go to destroy Swish, when we touch this, this is also destroyed, and it creates a color purple. All right, let's check it out now. Now this is going to spawn a thing right here. Let's go. Okay, it didn't. But if I go, it's very subtle, you can see that, but it like creates very quickly this action animation. All right, and because I set the duration to 0.5, see, you can never see that. All right, and that's about it, guys. So that's the thing, the Swish thing. So you have an object here, you make it drop down right away so the ball doesn't catch it up no matter what. So that's about it, guys. Hope you liked it. I mean, if you didn't understand, if you have any questions, just rewind the video, watch it again, or you can like write in your comments below. You can reach me out, okay, from the Buildbox forums. You can message me out, my name. That's the same name I use in Buildbox forums, okay. So that's the thing about it, okay. So let's see. Okay, now that's about it, guys. So I'll show you some other neat stuff in the next classes, and hope you liked my class. Again, thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next class. Okay, bye.